Good morning, children. Today, in English in class 11, we'll continue the lesson Albert Einstein at school. Just to recall what we had discussed earlier, Albert had expressed his views on education and he has stated that learning facts was not education at all. He was more interested in knowing when battles were fought, why soldiers killed each other, and not interested in knowing how many were killed. When all this was heard by the teacher, Mr. Brown, he was shocked and furious. He told him that he was wasting his father's money, and he punished him and asked him to stay back for an extra period in the school. In fact, he also suggested that Einstein should call his father to take him away from the place. It's not my wish, sir, Albert pointed out. He said that it was, Albert expressed himself that it was not because he wanted to be at the school here, but it was because of his father's wish to be here. That is the reason why he has come here for his education. Then you are an ungrateful boy and ought to be ashamed of yourself. So he said that if that is the case, then you should be, you are thankless. You should be ashamed of yourself that your father is doing so much for you, and in return you are not prepared to do your work, or you are not prepared to take your studies seriously. I suggest you ask your father to take you away. Albert felt miserable when he left school that afternoon. Miserable? Extremely unhappy. And he says, not that it had been a bad day. Most days were bad now. He says that he was unhappy, of course, and it was not that particular day, but every day was almost the same. Every day he used to get scolded. Every day was unpleasant for him. Anyway, but because he had to go back to the hateful place the next morning. So why he was actually miserable or why he was unhappy, not because that particular day happened to be an unpleasant one, but because you can say that he had to come back to this hateful place. The hateful place is the school that he refers to, so that he will have to come back the next morning again. He only wished his father would take him away, but there was no point in even asking. He ardently wished that his father should come and take him away from this place, but he knew that suggesting that to his father was futile. He knew what the answer would be. That is, he knew very well how his father would respond. He would have to stay until he had taken his diploma. That meant that his father will not take him away till he had completed his education out here. Going back to his lodgings did not cheer him up. So he was, after school hours, he was going back to the place where he lived. Lodgings is the place where he resided, where he lived. Then also he did not feel any better. His father had so little money to spare. That meant that his father was not affluent. He was, one can say, not too well off. But in any case, he had arranged his lodgings, his accommodation in this area, which was probably the cheapest. He did not have money to spare, that Albert had found a room in one of the poorest quarters of Munich. So, this place where Albert stayed had been arranged by his father, because his father did not have that much of money. He was not rich, he was not affluent. So, that is the reason why he had arranged his lodgings here. He did not mind the bad food and lack of comfort. He says that it was not the food which he minded, or that it was not very comfortable, or even the dirt and squalor. That is, it was a filthy place. It was not, these things did not matter, the food, the lack of comfort, or the filth around. But he hated the atmosphere of slum violence. He says the slum violence, that is the frequent fights that took place over there in the slum area, the place where he lived. His landlady beat her children regularly. And why there was so much of violence and unpleasantness around? Because his landlady used to beat her children regularly. They would scream and shout. And every Saturday her husband came home drunk and beat her. So that is the atmosphere where he stayed, was what did not make him, which is what made him unhappy. So both at school and the lodgings, he was unhappy. But at least you have a room of your own, which is more than I can say, said Yuri when he called round in the evening. So, Yuri was the only friend that he had, and Yuri was always there to help him and support him and pacify him. So, now also he was trying to assure him that at least he has a room of his own where he is staying. At least you live among civilized human beings.